What's up, guys? So today we're going to be using this decibel reader to test out how loud my car is. So we're going to do a cold start. We're going to get some revs. Sometimes when you're filming these videos, like when you do a cold start, the camera doesn't actually capture the full sounds. It's kind of like it tones it down a little bit, I guess, so it doesn't blow your eardrums out. So hopefully if you guys are interested in adding some Carven R's, run a setup similar to mine, you'll get an idea of how loud it actually is. So we're going to start first with a cold start, and I'm just going to turn this on here. All right, so we have the decibel reader here. Let me turn the light on. And now I'm going to go ahead and start her up. Yeah. All right, back it up. Alright guys, so I got my son riding in the back, so you might hear him talking a little bit, but hopefully that gave you guys a pretty good idea of how loud the exhaust is. So I know it could be a little bit difficult to tell on video. Anyways, man, make sure y'all stay tuned because I do have the subscriber giveaway coming up at the beginning of next month in December. So if you aren't subscribed, make sure that you do hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, of course. And I have some more content on the way for you guys, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. As always, thank you for your support, and I'll see you on the next video.